Hello, it's Annette here with a mixed media layout tutorial using the Pinkfresh Studio Some Days collection. The two favorite papers of mine from this collection are the ones you see right now. The striped one is so gorgeous, I'm using this as my background. I cut the flowers in the corners with a craft knife, but only parts of them, so this way I can bend them up and tuck my photo and other flower ephemera under them. I already prepared my long title using the tiny puffy alphabet. I put them on stripes of packaging, and this way I can move them around, finding the best placement. Then I took some white acrylic paint. Yes, white acrylic paint and not gesso, because I ran out of gesso and I still didn't purchase any yet. So I took my white paint and I added a tiny bit of water to make it more transparent. Then I applied it on the middle part of the paper. I am applying it in layers so I can control the coverage. This acrylic paint makes the pattern faded and it also seals for watercoloring. I am using watercolor to make a whimsical background. I apply teal blue and pink with a brush and also with packaging technique. The most of it I will cover anyway with the flower ephemera, so only the edges will be visible. The best patterns you get if you let it dry after every layer, but most of us don't have the time or are quite impatient like me to wait for so long, so I just went ahead and applied more color, more water, more splatters, and then color again, and most of the time it looks like a hot mess and I might be disappointed, it looks awful, but just keep going and make it work, and at the end it becomes a great layout. Well, most of the times. I also added some white watercolor because I like that the white color makes the other colors so soft and creamy. If you prime your paper, you can always take back. You can take back from color and also from water. Just have some cloth at your hand or some paper towel. At some point, I just stopped adding more layers and I started building my layout. On the photos you can see my daughter. She took a selfie on a hard day. She is suffering on many days from being home alone without her friends. Although she likes to be home, she misses her school so much. Her days are so boring, every day the same routine, every week the same routine. Lots of schoolwork and deadlines and exams, and all this without her classmates. So I really hope that this is soon be over for our teens. Now back to my process. I fussy cut flowers from the another paper and I also use flower ephemera for building up the layout. I am layering those flowers with foam tape and liquid glue. I organize the papers on a diagonal line between the two flowery corners. I am also fitting the long title in between. I'm trying to make variation in color and in form of the flowers. I also put some tacks and stickers in between the flowers. I only adhere the middle of it and I bend up the edges for more dimension. The circle chipboard flares are so great, it is so easy to find the right place for them. I adhere the puffy alphabets using liquid glue. Be brave and layer stickers, ephemera over each other. Let them peek out here and there and it creates interest. So this is my finished layout. I finished it off with applying some more watercolor around the flowers. Not everywhere, but on some places. I used the teal color and also a dark pink color, and it adds the depth to it and it makes it more dramatic. I think this step was really important for it. It pulled my layout together and it added a little bit of drama. I love the colors on this layout so much. that teal fog around the layered flowers, I think that is great, and I hope you feel inspired to get your fingers painty. All your supplies you can find under the video. I use affiliate links and clicking on them costs you nothing, but I might get a small commission from your purchase. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you next time too. I hope you will join me crafting. See you guys, bye bye!